Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Connections right away. Now scroll all the way down and choose More Connection Settings. Then tap on Printing and tap on Default Print Service right away. So when I do that, as you can see, my device is searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you prefer to use a different service, click on this switcher to disable the default one. Go back and click on Download plugin. Now install the best service for you. And when it's ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!